Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change payment account Google Play Store. First, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to change the payment account that you are using right now on your Google Play Store accounts, just in case you're buying something inside an app, well, this one is going to be quite easy. So in this case, just to give you some idea, if you access one of the games in here and go to the purchase page, so here if you try purchasing something, you'll notice that you are going to use one of the existing accounts that you already have right now. So in this case, for example, I'm using this account. So in this case, how do you change that? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and exit this app here. So you want to go ahead and just fully close this, and you want to go open up any of the following browsers that you have right now, and just type in googleplaystore.com. Now, you want to look for the official website for Google Play Store, which is usually going to be play.google.com. Now, to not conflict with the app inside, you want to go and just press and hold on that link. Click on Open in New Tab, and you want to go and access that tab that we just created. Now, from here at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on the Switch Account option, and you want to go and just choose the account that you may want to use as a payment method. Now, once you are in here, you want to go and click on Search at the top section, and just basically search for the app that you may want to change the payment method for. And from here, go and click on Install. And once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just choose the app or the device that you want to install this. So I'm currently using this device here. Let's go and click on Install. And from here on, just wait for the actual app to be installed. So it might verify you, so go and just wait for it and follow the on-screen steps. Now again, when you access the app again, you'll notice that when you click on the buy button, it's now going to change to a different account, as you can see right now. Now you can go and add your payment method as you would, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.